Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is super exciting because we are going to be comparing old Kylie Lip Kits to new Kylie Lip Kits. Kylie Cosmetics just launched their rebrand. They're supposed to be cruelty-free, vegan, clean formulas now, and Kylie was like making a huge deal about this rebrand and how it's really exciting for the company. And I've been a longtime fan of Kylie Cosmetics. I didn't get her very first launch, but I got the second launch back when she just had the 3 lip kits, the Dolce K, Candy K, and True Brown K, I believe. It's so funny like how big of a hype there was. I think it was back in 2015, 2016, around that time. I was in high school, and that's when liquid lipsticks like first started to get some traction, and not every brand had one. Fast forward to now, every single brand has a liquid lipstick. Matte liquid lipsticks are kind of falling out right now. It's just kind of funny to see how things have grown and how, interestingly enough, she brought back the matte liquid lipstick. And so today I'm going to be trying the old formula. Tomorrow I'm going to be trying the new formula, and we're going to compare them, see which one lasts longer, which one's more comfortable, easier to apply, things like that. But before we get to all that, I'm gonna need you to hit that subscribe button. Red button says subscribe. I'm gonna need you to hit it. We have a lot of fun here on my channel doing makeup, food, fashion, lifestyle, anything you could ever want. And if you enjoyed this particular video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Both those things would really help me out, and I'd really appreciate it. So let's get on with this Kylie Lip Kit comparison. So here is a comparison of the packaging. The black is the old lip kit, the pink is the new. She actually used to have a white component and then switched to black and now rebranded with pink. I like the pink a lot better, and you can see there's a size difference as well. Both are $29 and they come with a lip liner and a liquid lipstick. In the old lip kit, the liquid lipstick is 0.11 fluid ounces and the new one is 0.10 fluid ounces, so the liquid lipstick's a little smaller in the new one. But in the old one, the lip liner is 0.03 ounces and the new one it's 0.039 ounces, so the new lip liner is a little bit more product. Less liquid lipstick, more lip liner in the new one. I love how in the new packaging you have the little lip drips on the inside. I think that's a really cute detail. I'm going to be using shade Kylie in the original formula and the shade Tipsy in the new formula. And they're both matte liquid lipsticks. Okay, so here is a comparison of the old packaging versus new packaging. I think I like the new pink better, but the old like black drips with the Kylie, like this has so many memories for me. Like when I first started getting into liquid lipsticks, like this reminds me of 2015, 2016, like how iconic this packaging was. I've used this lip liner a little bit, but you can tell still like there's a big size difference in the lip liners. So that's nice, you're getting a little more bang for your buck there. You can't really tell a size difference in the liquid lipsticks as much. Alright, so let's go ahead and apply the OG pre-reformulation lip kit. I don't really know what I'll be doing today, but I'll be eating, maybe wearing a mask, putting it through the wear test. So let's go ahead and put it on and kind of discuss how the formulas feel. So this is the lip liner in the shade Kylie. Her lip liners are some of my favorite. They're creamy, but they aren't so creamy that they move around during the day. But they're just so easy to apply. And I hope she didn't reformulate these too much. Alright, so that is the lip liner. And now we're gonna go in with liquid lipstick in shade Kylie. And then what I like to do, I do that little thin layer, spread it everywhere, and kind of tap it to blend it in with the lip liner. But you gotta work quickly because it dries fast. Ta-da! Alright, let's get real up close and personal. I mean, you can see the outlines of my little lip wrinkles. It doesn't feel super thick It does feel dry, but it feels like it's on there. Like, I think this baby's gonna last a while. I think it looks cute. I love this color a lot. It feels like it's not going anywhere, so that's good. So I will check back in with you guys at the end of the day, see how this baby wears, take her for a little joyride, and I'll be back with the tea. All right, guys, it's been 9 hours and the lipstick's gone. She's disintegrated. We still have some lip liner and some lipstick remnants, but for the most part, it's gone. I did eat 2 meals and wore a mask, so I can't really blame it for looking like this. And since it's a nude color, you can't really tell that much when it fades, so that's nice. But there is some left. But I definitely put it to the test today, so hopefully I can give tomorrow's liquid lip the equal amount of challenges to hold up against, so it's an even fight. But this is today. This is the Kylie Lip original formula. All right, guys, it is time to try out the new Kylie Lip Kit formula. This is shade Tipsy, and let's just get right into it. Automatically very creamy, very pigmented. The lip liner is very creamy. I feel like even more creamier and like emollient than the original formula, which means you have to be a little bit more careful because one wrong slip and like you'll have full pigment where you don't want it to be. So that's interesting. Interessante. All right, now let's try the liquid lip. It has a different smell actually. The old lip kits are very like vanilla buttercream moment. This is more like toasted marshmallow, like s'more vibe. If you ever had those scented Crayola markers, it smells exactly like the black one. All right, let's try it. It feels fluffier than the original formula. Very cute color. An interesting thing that I noticed is the doe foot has a divot in the center. You can see where it like collects product right there. It's like a little hole. Whereas the old lip kits do not have that. It's just like a normal regular doe foot applicator. So, all right, she's on, she's dry. This is how she looks. The color's so cute. Big fan of the color. Let's see how well she holds up throughout the day. All right, guys, it has been. I have had this face of makeup on for about 10 hours now. And I ate twice, I went to work, and I did a workout. So that's what this face has been put through today. It's been put through a lot. But let's zoom in and give her a look. So there is still some there, but where I ate, gone. Like, I would say this is pretty similar to what my lips looked like yesterday. And remember how I said the lip liner was a little more emollient, a little more, I thought it would smudge easier. And I think I was right, because like, look at this, that's lip liner smudged, and it's a little feathered around the edges. So interestingly enough, I think they wore about the same, but I like the feeling of the new liquid lipstick better. It's a little bit lighter, a little bit thinner of a formula, less drying. It's still a matte liquid lipstick. It's not like super comfy, super hydrating. Not gonna pretend it's that, but it's less drying than the original formula. But I think I like the original lip liners better because they are a little less creamy, which makes it stick better and not slip around as much and get feathering and like weird stuff like that. So I'm gonna say I like the new liquid lipsticks better, but I like the old lip liners better. I think that's my final decision. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today for the old Kylie Lip Kits versus new Kylie Lip Kits. I hope you enjoyed and learned a little bit of something about these formulas and whether or not you wanna check out the new one. Don't forget, make sure to like and subscribe. Both those things would really help me out and I'd really appreciate it. And that's it from me, guys. So stay on fleek, friends. Bye.